Guys, I'm one of the first English people to try this American snack. It looks so yummy. Let's try it out. Hard to do it one-handed, so putting y'all down for a sec-ex. My first all video. Let me know if I should post more oral videos like this. Also, thanks for 10 subscribers. It's so hard to open. Finally opened it. This is what it looks like. I don't want to show myself at all, but that's hard, so hand reveal. Time to eat it. And yes, I know I'm as pale as Wednesday Addams.
Nom nom nom.
That's so good and yummy. How come the Americans get to have this and we don't? Taking another bite because I absolutely love it. Approved by a Briton. Don't ask. But yeah, that's my approval because I love this gummy. Love this gummy. One of the first English people to try it. Another nom 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 because it's so delicious. You guys need to get this and try it out for yourself. I guarantee you will love it just like me. Bye, thanks for watching.